G'day, welcome to Tentworld Townsville. I am Aiden. Today we are going to talk about the Buck knives. So there's three different types of here. They are all different size. Two of them are in camo, one's in black. So these guys are actually made in Iowa, which is in the States. So these are a flip blade. They have a button press one on the back, so you can close them. They are usually designed for everyday sort of use. Camping, carrying the car, obviously hunting and that as well. So they do have a couple of different sizes. This one's a 3 by 5 inch blade, and then they go up from there. They have 2 or usually 3 in the orange, and then they'll have one in the black. They are a plastic handle, so they are pretty easy and pretty light to hang on to, and obviously a stainless steel blade. Most of the angles are done at say 30 degrees, so they hold their edge for quite a while and they're easy to get their edge back on. They also come with a pocket clip, so it's just a black clip and you can slide on your pocket or on your belt. So this guy just here, so yeah, it is a nice bright orange for your camo, so if you do drop it in the grass or in the say sticks or whatnot, you will see him quite easily. That's all the knives done for today. You can buy them at all the Tentworld stores. You can even buy them online and they'll ship them out to you. Hope to see you soon at Tentworld. Happy camping.